In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make captivating Instagram Reel captions using ChatGPT and Canva. Whether you're a business owner, a social media manager, or simply someone who loves creating engaging content, this step-by-step guide will show you how to streamline the process, saving you both time and effort. Let's get started. First things first, we'll open ChatGPT, your trusty AI companion for generating creative ideas at a snap. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in, ensuring you have access to all the great features this platform has to offer. Once you're logged in and ready to go, it's time to harness the power of AI to create some impactful captions. Your task here is to generate a list of short and catchy Instagram Reel captions focused on fitness motivation. These captions should be concise, aiming to be under 10 words each, and presented one per line. This is critical for keeping your content engaging and to the point, perfect for the fast-paced world of Instagram Reels. With your list of captions generated, it's time to move on to the next step, copying your content. Simply highlight the captions that ChatGPT has crafted for you and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy your selection, making it ready to paste into another application. Next, we'll bring Canva into the mix. Navigate to canva.com and log into your account. Canva is a superb platform for designing beautiful, professional-looking graphics with ease. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button and select the Instagram Reel option. This will provide you with the perfect canvas for your captions. Now, for the exciting part, preparing our design for the captions. You'll need to duplicate your page until you have 100 individual pages. This might seem like a lot, but duplicating pages is quick and easy within Canva, and it ensures that each caption will have its own space to shine. It's time to add your captions to the Canva design. While it might sound tedious to paste each caption individually, there's a trick to do it swiftly. Use the combination of Ctrl+V followed by Tab. That way, you'll paste a caption into a text box and automatically move to the next one, significantly speeding up the process. Continue this until each page of your Canva design has its own unique caption. Finally, once you've populated all your captions into Canva, you'll want to download your complete set of designs. Thankfully, Canva allows you to download all your pages at once, making it simple to get your content ready for posting on Instagram. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've just created a fully formed, visually appealing set of Instagram Reel captions in no time. The combination of ChatGPT's idea generation and Canva's design prowess makes this a simple yet powerful way to supercharge your social media presence.